Just thought I know I already did. I'm just going to do a little walk around of engine 68. Sorry, not 68, 86. 68 is a little ways from here, actually, so we won't be going there today. But once again, in here, spare air bottles, torpedo tube. These are kind of the... this is the only... you're trying to open it, or... So... yeah, really, that's about it on this engine. And to the... You know, those things are hard even for me. As you can see, I got it. We already opened that one, Natalie. Uh-oh. Oh, you guys gotta go. Rescue 86 responding. Los Angeles City Fire Department. See ya. Rescue 86 is responding. This is at Station 86, home to Engine 86, Rescue 86. Rescue 86 is responding. Emergency lighting activated. There they go. Rescue 86. That's it for now.